So good day everyone, I am Laika de Guzman and our topic for today is the inquiry process. So ano nga ba ang inquiry process? So inquiry process is a systematic approach to learning and problem solving. So ang inquiry process ay isang step-by-step na paraan para maghanap ng sagot, impormasyon o solusyon sa isang tanong or problema. Parang investigation o pagsaliksik ito na ginagawa ng sistematiko. Meron tayong 4 na stages. So, the first one is pose real questions. Dito nagsisimula ang lahat. Mag-iisip ka muna ng mga tanong na gusto mong masagot. Gaya ng what do I want to know about this topic? What do I know about my questions? How do I know it? What do I need to know? And what could an answer be? So, sa madaling salita, dito mo ilalatag ang mga layunin at mga tanong na gusto mong maunawaan or gusto mong masagot. So, the second one is find resources. Kapag may tanong ka na, hahanap ka naman ng source ngayon para masagot yung mga questions mo. So, meron ding ulit questions dito. Gaya ng, what kind of resources might help? Where do I find them? How do I know the info is valid? Who is responsible for the info? What other info is there? So, sa madaling salita, dito ka maghahanap ng books, articles, websites, experts, or ibang materials na makakatulong sa research mo. So, third one is interpret information. So, ngayon may info ka na, may information ka na, aaralin mo naman ngayon ito. So, may questions pa rin. So, how is this relevant to my question? What parts support my answer? How does it relate to what I know? What parts do not support my answer? And does it raise new questions? So, sa madaling salita, dito mo i-analyze, dito mo iintindihin at pipiliin kung alin yung topic or alin yung mahalaga at akma sa iyong topic. So, the fourth one is report findings. Ito na yung huling step. Dito mo na ibabahagi or i-share yung results ng ginawa mo. So, the questions are what is the main point? Who is my audience? What else is important? How does it connect? And how do I use media to express my message? So, in simple words, in other words, dito sa report findings, dito mo ilalabas yung mga conclusions, findings, o sagot para mas madali nilang maintindihan or para mas madaling maintindihan ng iba. So, bakit mahalaga yung 4 stages na to? So, kasi tinuturuan nila tayong maging critical thinker or mapanuri. Hindi lang basta sumasagot, kundi naiintindihan natin kung paano nakuha ang sagot. And ginagawang responsible ang mga estudyante sa kanilang pag-aaral. So in this model, it describes the crucial role of teachers in guiding students through inquiry-based learning process. Instead na si teacher ang mag-provide ng answer, teacher acts as a facilitator. Hinihikayat niya yung mga learners to take ownership or responsible for their learning, hindi spoon-feeding. In essence, yung mga teachers in this model are not lecturers, but they are co-learners and guides. Teacher fosters critical thinking and independent problem-solving skills ng mga learners nila. So, ang importanteng aspect sa model na ito ay ang questioning. In simple words, si teacher ang mag-ask ng questions to help students learn and think deeply. So, the better the teacher is good at asking questions, the better the students will learn through inquiry. So, Gershon identifies the different questioning techniques that social studies teachers can use. So, the first one is might question. These questions ask about possibilities or things that could happen. This encourages students to think about different options or outcomes. So, the second one is what if questions. So, this question asks students to imagine a situation that is different from what is actually happened. So, ang what if question ay ini-encourage yung mga students na mag-explore on how changing one thing could affect the whole situation. So, for example, what if there's an earthquake? What shall we do? What if you became the mayor? What program shall you implement? So, itong mga questions na to, ito yung magpapalabas ng creativity, speculations, and rationality among learners. So, basically, yung what if questions allows the learners to think in a totally different perspective. Ini-encourage nila yung mga learners, ini-encourage nitong what if question na to na mag-isip outside the box, to think outside the box yung mga learners.